So this video is going to be extremely short. It's just an introduction to your first real exercise. I have created here in the browser a nice simple web page. So it just contains some of the notes that I might have taken on the last few lessons about internet basics, HTML, the different tags, the boilerplate. So what I'd like you to do is recreate this yourself. So from scratch, make a new file, save it, make sure it ends in HTML, and add the correct markup, along with the correct boilerplate that we don't actually see here. So all the stuff behind the scenes, the doc type, the head, the body, so on. Also make sure this matches up here. Everything should match. I'll give you a short hint because you may not be sure exactly what size heading these are. This is an H2. That's not hugely important, but that's an H2. I'll also go over some of these things here. So we've got bullet points. We've got bolded here. We've got a bullet pointed list inside of a bullet pointed list. We've got a numeric list, ordered list inside of a bullet point, another numeric list inside of one, and we've got some italicized text and some bolded text here as well. So go ahead, take your time, make a new file, start from scratch, watch some of the previous videos if you need to, recreate this.